Okay, this equation has a combination of fractions and parentheses, right? You're like, well, what do I tackle first? So here's my recommendation. I personally would get rid of these parentheses first because to me, they're more in the way than the fractions are. So let's take a look. I have 1 over 5 times 2y. Good, that would be 2y over 5 minus 1/5, good, because you got to do 1/5 times a negative 1, minus 2 equals, and now I have to distribute the 1/2. So 1/2 times 3 over 1, good, 3y over 2, and then 1/2 minus 5 over 1, good, 5 over 2 plus 3. Well, the parentheses are now out of the way, so to me it's a little cleaner. You're like, yeah, but you still have all those fractions. I get it. So what are we going to do now? Good. Common denominator. What's the common denominator? 10. So, let's see. First fraction, what has to get multiplied? By 2. Good. So you end up with 4y over 10 minus fraction number 2, again by 2. So you have 2 over 10 minus, yeah, that's 2 over 1, so you have to multiply top and bottom by 10. So minus 20 over 10. So far, so good? Okay. This fraction, let's go on the right side. Yep, this one has to get multiplied by 5. So I have 15y over 10 minus, and this has to get multiplied by 5. So 25 over 10 plus, good, put that over 1, multiply top and bottom by 10, so we have 30 over 10. Agreed? Okay, now all the denominators are the same, correct? And do you want to keep those denominators? Nope, you want to get rid of them. So what are you going to have to do to get rid of them? Good, you're going to have to multiply everything by 10. I heard you. All right, so I'm just going to do this as opposed to writing 10 by each one, just so I visually can see I'm multiplying everything by 10. So follow along, see if you agree. We'll get 4y minus 2 minus 20 equals 15y minus 25 plus 30. Do you agree? Awesome. Okay, I'm seeing like terms on the left side and right side, so follow along. I'll have 4y minus 22 equals 15y plus 5. And now I need my y's on the same side. Okay, we'll put them on the left. Some of you want them on the left. And again, for us visual people, you should write these little steps in so it's easy to see. So I'll get a negative 11y minus 22 equals a 5. Then what are you going to do? Good, you're going to add 5 to both sides. So I'm going to put this over here because I ran out of board space there. What did we say we were going to do? Yeah, we said we were going to add the 22 to both sides, which will give us a negative 11y equaling 27. And then finally, yep, divide by a negative 11 on both sides. Well, answer is a fraction, so be it. I end up with y equaling negative 27 over 11. This was a good problem. Why? Because you had to distribute and then you had to get rid of fractions. It was a twofer. Anyway, hopefully this made some sense. It reminded you how to solve linear equations. You guys have fun with this stuff, and I'll catch you on the flip side.